It's 9 in the morning on the 7th of December 2018, and I counted 35 parrots. There are some in the tree as well. That's a dramatic increase since I reported the poaching of these birds last week. Last Saturday there were 10, and today there are 35 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and then on the tree 36, 37, 38, 39. 39 birds. I gave them the choice of bird seed, parrot seed, which you can buy at the supermarket, but they preferred the bread, so now I'm just feeding them the bread again. I figure that people are baiting them with bird seed and catching them. It's been a trade since the 1970s, packing them into small boxes and sending them overseas. See, that mandarina is snapping its beak at the parrots. Nice to have them back. I missed them when they weren't here. That was, it was about 6 months ago that they disappeared. Suddenly from a flock of 100 they decreased down to 10. And then through winter they decreased further to 1 or 2. So it may just be a coincidence, or it may be that it's warmed up and there are more parrots, but I'll keep observing them and see what the go back and look at my old records to see what months I had large numbers of parrots.